Hey everyone, so you want to install Visual Studio Code on your Windows 11 computer? Don't worry, it's actually super easy and only takes a couple of minutes. Let me walk you through the whole process step by step. Alright, first things first, open up your favorite web browser. It doesn't matter if you use Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, whatever you've got, just get your browser ready. Now, in the search bar at the top, type Visual Studio Code. You'll see a bunch of results pop up, but here's the important part, you want the official one. Look for the link that says code.visualstudio.com. That's the official website. Click on that link. You're now on the official Visual Studio Code website. You'll see a big blue download button right at the top of the page. You can also see another download button in the middle of the page. Just click on one of them. Your browser will start downloading the Visual Studio Code executable file. Just wait for it to finish downloading completely. You'll see the download progress in your browser's download section. Once the download is done, double-click on it to open it. This will launch the Visual Studio Code installer. You might see a few pop-up windows here. Just keep going, don't panic. The installer window will open up. You'll see some legal stuff at the top. That's the license agreement. Check the box that says I accept the agreement and then click the next button to move forward. The next screen will ask you where you want to install Visual Studio Code. You'll see a default folder location already filled in. Unless you have a specific reason to change it, just leave it as is. Click Next again. You'll see another screen about the Start menu folder. Again, the default option is totally fine. Just leave it as it is and click Next. Now you might see a screen with some optional settings. You can usually just skip through these or accept the defaults. Click Next again to keep moving forward. Finally, you'll see an Install button. Click that and just let the installer do its thing. It'll take a minute or so to install everything. You'll see a progress bar while it's working. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a Setup Complete screen or something similar. You might see a checkbox that says Launch Visual Studio Code now or something like that. If you want to open it right away, you can check that box. Then click Finish. Awesome! Visual Studio Code is now open. On your first time opening it, you'll see a welcome screen with some options to customize your setup. You can choose your color theme here, like dark mode, light mode, or high contrast. The default is usually dark modern, which looks pretty cool. So now that you've installed it, how do you open it next time? Super easy! Just click the Windows Start button at the bottom left of your screen and type Visual Studio Code. The app will pop up in your search results. Click on it and boom, it opens. Here's a cool trick if you like using the command line. Open Command Prompt by clicking the Windows Start button and typing CMD. Once Command Prompt opens, just type the word code and press Enter. Visual Studio Code will launch right from there. And here's one more cool thing you can do. Let's say you have a folder somewhere on your computer that you want to open in Visual Studio Code. Open File Explorer and navigate to that folder. Once you're on that folder, right-click on it and look for an option that says Open with Code or Open in Terminal. If you see Open with Code, just click that and Visual Studio Code will open with that folder loaded up. If you don't see that right-click option, no worries. Here's another way. Copy the folder path from the address bar in File Explorer. Then open Command Prompt, type CD, which stands for Change Directory. Paste your folder path and press Enter. Once you're in that folder, just type code. That's code followed by a space and a period and press Enter. Visual Studio Code will open with that folder. Done! You now know how to download, install and use Visual Studio Code on Windows 11. You've also learned some handy tricks for launching it and opening folders. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.